In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your TikTok history. So to do that, you need to open up your TikTok app, and from there you need to click on the bottom right to your profile, then click on top right to open the three menu icons, and then settings and privacy. From there, locate Activity Center, that's the third option under content and display. Click on that, and you can see your search history, you can see your comment history, and even your watch history. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if this video helped you out, let me know by saying something in the comments down below.